can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know y'all saw there's a whole lot of packages I do have to get through in today's video, so I am not gonna waste too much time before we go ahead and get straight to it. But before we do get started, if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. If we could get this to 100 likes, I'll do whatever video you guys want me to do. Just leave the video in the comments below, and once this video hits 100+ likes, I will go ahead and do it. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Slight bars, subscribe, click the post notification bells. Let's get it. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about in this video is this package right here. This is a JB release that I picked up. Hey, I feel like this is a must cop if you're any sneakerhead or call yourself a sneakerhead. You should have this in your collection. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about with this pair. We do have the OG Nike box right here. If you know, you know. Got the size tag and everything like that right there on the front. Then you pop this bad boy open, and in here you actually have a card, which is weird coming from Jordan brand. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. That's facts. We do have a card in this one. Inside of that, you have the infamous Red 11s. I haven't opened these in a while. Not gonna lie, I've been waiting, but these are so fire. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the old release better with the lower patent leather. But you just can't go wrong with the sneaker in general, bro. Come on. You got that Jumpman right there, which is backwards from the other releases. You got the 2-3 on the back, which I love the fact that they kept it OG with this one right there. Then you got the sole right there with the carbon fiber. Everything seems the same as the older release. This sneaker right here is one that you have to have in your collection if you're a sneakerhead. It's one of those sneakers that's like the Concords, like the Space Jams. You just gotta have it, bro. It doesn't make sense if you call yourself a sneakerhead and don't have these in your collection. I've been wanting these sneakers since like 2012 when they released, and I finally touched down on them for retail. There was rumored to be 2 million plus pairs of this shoe right here, and every single pair sold out, and these still have some type of resale, which is insane. All I need at this point is the cool grays, and we're good. The cool grays are one of my favorites, honestly. I think those released in 2011, so hey, according to my calculations, we should be seeing those sometime soon. These are so fire. I'm really glad that I got this sneaker right here, but I don't want to talk about it for 2 years. They deadass sent me a size 12 and I just noticed it. I'm gonna have to sell these and get my size. That's crazy how I just noticed it. I'm looking at these shits like, yo, these bitches look big as fuck. Next up, we do have this Supreme bag right here, but don't be fooled. I already opened my last Supreme package for the season. I just put this in the bag so that, you know, it can have a little bit more hype to it or whatever. But this is actually a Ralph Lauren jacket that I got from TJ Maxx. It says Polo High Tech right there. I actually really love this jacket. You got that like yellow on the inside, navy on the sides right there. It's fire, bro. It's like this parka looking jacket, and if you know me, you know that I love a million pockets. You got like 50,000 pockets on this jacket right there, and I honestly couldn't be more happier. You even have an AirPod pocket on the top right here, as you can see. Now, I would like you guys to comment how much I paid for this jacket and how much it's worth before you skip ahead. Put a price right now in the comments. Just let me know how much you think I paid for this jacket right here and how much it's worth. Basically $600, and me paying $200 for it. You're right. Now this jacket is so fire, bro. I just love the way that it looks. The price of this jacket was honestly deterring me from buying it, but I looked at it and I'm like, yo, I buy a Supreme jacket for damn near the same price, and that's actually what it's worth. This is worth 3 times the price that I paid for it. And I feel like Polo Ralph Lauren, you can never go wrong with one of these jackets right here. Got 10,000 million pockets, which I really love. Perfect color. I just really am a big fan of this jacket right here. So I had to go ahead and pull that trigger because money doesn't last forever. I needed a jacket and I decided, hey, fuck it. Let's buy it, bro. Next up, we got this package right here from Hello Ice. Right here, we do have their little box saying Hello Ice. Hey, I always love the packaging when it comes to buying jewelry or getting jewelry. Shout out to Hello Ice for sending this out to me. It's been a minute. I honestly lost the video that this was supposed to be in, but hey, we're here again doing it for you guys. It does say Hello Ice on the actual bag right there, which is a clean touch. And here you have this Elix style chain with a little buckle on it. Pretty fire in my opinion. Honestly, I'm not gonna pay $400 for an Elix one. This is the next best thing, and it honestly costs like $60 if I'm not mistaken. It does say Elix right there, RSM or something like that. Got the little lightning bolt, and A, little smiley face, and then you got the buckle. I'm gonna try this on for you guys. I feel like this is actually pretty hard and it's not gonna break the bank. I honestly like the way it looks, but with this hoodie it doesn't really do it justice. I feel like you gotta wear this with like a tee or something. It looks pretty clean. I like the way that it hangs off the neck, just not too much. I feel like this chain right here, then my Gucci chain that you guys will see or saw in one of my most recent videos, this is a fire piece nonetheless, and I am gonna be freaking this a whole lot. Shout out to Hello Ice once again for showing love. Now we got one more box to get into, then we're straight up out the building. This is the big boy item. There's actually more than one piece in this box as well, but first we do have this FTP box right here. In this we should be seeing some coasters. As you can see right here, we have some FTP coasters. I'm gonna take one of them out for you guys so you can get a better view on what it looks like. Literally a coaster that says FTP on it. I feel like this is fire. Simple, just put it on your table, put your cups on here. It's better than having a plain black table. This is definitely a clean touch in my opinion. I love FTP's accessories. I feel like some of the things they do, Supreme don't do. Hey, you fill in the gaps with FTP. Next up from FTP, we have this right here, a little water bottle. This is actually fire. I low-key like this one more than the Supreme one that came out. You got the little carabiner on top. Why do I keep saying carabiner? But you got that FTP right there. Real subtle. I love the way this looks, honestly. It's just way cleaner than the Supreme one that's back there, if you can see it. This is fire. I paid like $18 for this one and $50 for the Supreme one, and this is bigger than that. Major shout out to FTP once again for keeping their prices reasonable. We do have the water bottle in there. Next up, we do have these slippers right here. These are actually gonna get more use than anything in this video. These are the FTP house slippers. I believe the middle of it is reflective, which is fire. You got the FTP and reflective right there. The whole inside says FTP. These are actually super fire though. I love these slippers and I feel like I'm gonna get a whole lot of wear on these right here.
Hell no.
Bottom is actually an outdoor sole, so you can wear these outside. We also did get this sticker right here, which I feel like it does look pretty clean, not gonna lie. It's these two little kids running around with a gun. He does have a FTP shirt on right there, as you can see. And last up, we do got the chair that came out. This was one of my favorite items. I don't care what nobody has to say. The chair is fire, bro. Whenever you're going to the beach to a cookout, you pull out your FTP chair and you're straight kicking it. It even says FTP all over the bag that it comes with. Then in here, you got the actual FTP lawn chair. Come on, this is fire. I just love the prices that FTP has, bro. This was like $30 and it's not bad, bro. I might just leave this shit right here in the background. This chair right here is actually really fire. I'm gonna be using this a whole lot whenever I go to the beach, little barbecue or whatever. This is gonna be the chair I use because it's a vibe. Like, come on, for the price too, cannot go wrong with this piece right here. Definitely one of my favorite pieces that they released in a little while. I don't know why this sat on the website for so long. If this shit would have said Supreme all over it, people would have been jizzing in their pants to get these, but I don't know why FTP gets slept on. This shit is hard nonetheless. And that is the last item that I have for you guys today. If you did end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Get this video to 100 likes. Let me know what you would like me to do down below in the comments, and I will get that video out for you guys ASAP. But subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click those post notification bells, and I am also going to be choosing the winner for the Polo necklace after this right here. So when the video ends, stay tuned because it will say the winner of the Polo necklace. They're gonna contact you. All I'm gonna need is your name, your phone number, and then they'll get your address and all that other stuff so they can actually send it out to you. But that pretty much does it for this video. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.